Hola Rizos Reinas! In this video, we're going to show you how to achieve the best Rizos results. Step 1. Shampoo. When washing your curls with our hydrating shampoo, make sure that you focus on massaging the product onto your scalp. This will help clarify any buildup. Step 2. Condition. Fully saturate your hair with our deep conditioner and let it sit for a few minutes before detangling your hair with our detangling flexi brush. Step 3. After rinsing off our deep conditioner, add some of our Refresh and Detangle spray to prep for our curl defining cream. In Step 4. The goal during this step is to make sure each curl gets enough product. This will help ensure you receive the best Rizos results. The more hair you have, the smaller you should section off your hair. Next, blow dry your hair using our diffuser to eliminate frizz and add volume. And lastly, use our hair pick to create more volume. Do not comb your hair. And voila, your look is complete. Yo lo hago despacio. Tú lo quieres fácil, yo lo hago despacio. Tú lo quieres fácil, yo lo hago despacio.